Hey, yo, what's happening? I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. And once we get 100 subscribers, man, we're doing that giveaway, so don't forget, man. Let's go.
I was in the streets that deep. Long road, that bitch hot. Cousin taught me how to work the pot. In and out the spot, them folks was in and out the spot. Mama kicked me out, working at Tyson from grandma's house. No car, no cabbage. A nigga hungry, goddammit. Had to figure something out. My stomach grumbling, couldn't handle it. Went from robbing to trapping. We catch you slipping, we jacking. On a mission with fashion. That extendo ain't no jamming. Detectives looking for patterns, but on that road ain't no cameras. Them hungry days over. Flipping this weight is heavy. Got more coke than the cola.
Oh, man, I woke up to a disturbing light. Middle of the night, man. Got my truck idling so I can stay cool, man. It's hot out here in Texas. You know how it is. But yeah, the truck said water and fuel tank. I was like, oh shit, and it started rumbling and stumbling. I'm like, oh man. I went on and cut it off. It was cool in the truck, so I laid back down about 3 in the morning. And nothing I could do at that time. So it's time to get up, man. I forget all about it. Try to crank up the truck. Nothing. I come over here, man, to this. This motherfucker was sucked dry. So it looks like I'm gonna be doing a filter change. I don't have the tools, but I have some stuff. And we're gonna have to work with what we got. We're gonna have to work with what we got. So right now, I'm finna get me some fuel out of here. Give me a little bit to fill this, I hope it don't just start pouring out. It's enough to fill this up. I'm probably gonna have to do this a couple times. Oh yeah, that's too, I ain't wanna do that. I ain't wanna do it like that. No. We hard there to get them screws back on there. That's good. That's good. So next. Luckily we be prepared, man. So we got us a filter here. Got us another one. We're the prepared guys. Stay prepared around here. And try to get this off. Yeah, I wish I had some spray. Guess we're gonna be going back and forth with this. Get back to our main source. Yeah, right there. This is the field I need right there. Alright. Went back and forth a couple times. We got it filled up. Filter is full. Leave the cap off. Put the cap over here. Put this over here somewhere. We're gonna crank her up. We're gonna try to crank her up. She ain't gonna start. But if she do, that's good. Well, I doubt it she do. Probably gotta do this a couple more times. Alright, nothing. So go back over here. Yeah, so this is a primer right here, man. You prime this, push that down like a lawnmower or something. You just push it in and out, and it starts priming it out that filter tank over there. And you just prime it a lot. All right, on the truth. Let me tighten this shit up. Man, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know how much I just saved on not calling a guy out here to come fix this. I was thinking I saved at least $300-400. And I had an extra filter on deck. Yeah, but I guess I deserve that, man, because last time I had got my oil changed. Well, I had changed my filter, my fuel filter before I changed my oil. So it's like my fuel filter was still good. So they were like, you want us to change the fuel filter too? I'm like, nah, I just bought a new fuel filter and just put it on. So I'm good. I'm gonna wait on that. And she was like, well, make sure she was like, well, you gonna need this one changed before your new oil change, your next oil change. Remember that? And I was like, okay. Forgot all about it, man. I check it and look at it every day. And then I'm due for an oil change. I'm about 1,000 miles, right past my 10,000 mile mark. So get this oil change and shoot. I'm gonna get that filter changed every time with it, because I don't need that problem no more. I'm supposed to crank up, look at the tires and stuff, and go. And it did not work out like that.
You have 7 hours and 58 minutes.
We learned something.
Drive time.
We learned something new today. And
you have 7 hours and 58 minutes.
The more you learn, the stronger you'll be. The next person you can help out. And I think I'm gonna help out a couple people too with this one. But appreciate y'all, man. Like, subscribe, comment, and put me on game. If it's something that I'm missing, man, I love to learn, man. So anybody want me to do a specific video on something, let me know, man. Drop something in the comments. Y'all take care. One. And I'll see y'all on a long run.
Long road to success. Pain I done took a lot. Treat the game like the playoffs. It's always crunch time. Don't worry, I'ma bust mine. In due time, I'ma get it. Until then, I'ma rock the mic in each and every city. Long road to success. Pain I done took a lot. Treat the game like the playoffs. It's always crunch time. Don't worry, I'ma bust mine. In due time, I'ma get it. And check a nigga rap sheet. I was in the streets that deep. Too many times I was questioned by the detective. Too many times that I